Alright, so we're looking at the gas law variable practice worksheet right now, and this is sort of just a little review in basic algebra, things you've learned in your math class, and you just want to make sure that you know how to solve for the variables before we start plugging numbers in so you don't make any math errors. So this we're going to do problems 1. We're going to do problems 1 and 6 and 8 together today. Alright, so for number 1, of course the first thing you do is 720 times 40, and when you get that, put that in your calculator, you should get 28,800 equals 780 V. And then when you want to get a variable by itself and it's being multiplied by 780, you do the opposite and you divide by 780. And then to get full points on this, you want to make sure that you show your answer as what the variable is, what the number is equal to. You should get 36.9 when you divide those. And then put a box around your answer, and that's it. Alright, so number 6, we've got two proportions, and here you just cross multiply. So 273 times 20 equals 16 times T2. When you do 273 times 20, you should check this in your calculator, but you should get 5,460 equals 16 T2. Divide both sides by 16, and T2 will be 5,460 divided by 16, 341. Now you'll notice that none of these answers have units on them. That's because the problem doesn't have units. We're just focusing on the numbers right now. Alright, the last problem we're going to do together is number 8. Number 8 is done the same way, except we just have some extra numbers to work with. So the first thing you see is that 1 times 22 is 22.4. That gets cross multiplied to 303. And we'll cross multiply this way. We'll get 2 times 273 times V2. 22.4 times 203 is 6,787.2, and 2 times 273 is 546, and then we'll still have your V2 here. And then if you want to get V2 by itself, you got to get rid of this 546 by doing the opposite. So you divide both sides by 546. In your calculator, just plug in 6,787.2 divided by 546. And then you'll see that that answer matches 1 at the top in your answer bank. Put that in, put a box around it, and you're done. That's enough help. You should be able to do the rest of these problems on your own.